Hey guys, it's me William, and I'm very sorry I haven't made a video for a while, for like 6 days. So I'm finally back now. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a better Miles Morales from Spider-Man to the Spider-Verse. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, this is Miles Morales. So the head and the body are all from Miles Morales. But the full minifigure are from Miles Morales. So I got Miles Morales here too. So I painted the eyes white so it could look more cooler. So I actually took like a red paint because I thought a Sharpie won't work, and then use a red Sharpie to put all the red in, and then put it on the black so it could look like Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse Miles Morales. So I did the legs too, because in Spider-Man to the Spider-Verse you see the red shoulder like pads, and then the red boots. And then we put it on Miles Morales, and then we put it on Miles Morales' own head, which I got. I changed the hair so it looks like this. So it looks cool. Yeah, so just annoying. Probably my brother. It's very cool. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. It was like a short video, but if you put it on Miles Morales, it actually kind of look cool. But that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.